Welcome to Kiran Tech Buzz. In this channel, we are going to explore things like messing with PCs, unboxing, reviews, and suggestions, and much more in the upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Without any further ado, let's start the video. In today's video, we are going to unbox Samsung F41. Here we got the package, so let's open it. I got the package from Flipkart, and the packaging is little different that I have seen others. It's kind of difficult to open it without damaging the package. Let's take the phone out. It's hard to opening out. Here we opened it. Let's take the box out. Here we got the phone. The branding F41 is on the top of the box. Let's take a look at this side. Here we got some labeling. There is some details about the phone here. Here we got some branding here, and here we can take a look at here that we got 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. I was trying to get the 128GB variant, but it is not available in the Flipkart. So now let's open the box. I don't want to damage the box because if I find any faulty in the box, I want to return it. So I want to take it as careful as I can. It's pretty difficult to open a box without damaging it. I mean, like, open without tearing any pieces here. Now let's open the box. As you can see, we can see the phone. Inside the box there is a small package which is not coming out. Let's take a look at it later. Let's take a look at the phone. I'm taking the phone off. Here we got a black variant phone with 3 cameras on back side of it and a fingerprint on the back side, and it's got a super AMOLED display. The phone is very good looking. I want to take off the cover, but I will take it in a different way. Here we got the phone. Some dust is on it. Let's clear it. The phone looks very good and it's very reflective, and it got very refined design. Well, it's basically a matte finish, I mean glossy finish. It is very sleek, and it got a Type-C port and 3.5mm jack pin. Let's take a look at the charger and its charging cable. Here we got the charger. It is a black color and it's a fast charging type. The charger is basically a 15-watt charger, as you can see here. Now let's take a look at the USB cable. It is a Type A to Type-C type charging cable. Now let's take a look at the package inside the box. It's won't come out, and I shaked it pretty well that I have to smash it to the table so to get the box out. Here we got the box out. Here we got slip slot pin, and while opening the box there are some papers inside the box. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, we got here quick start guide and regional lock guide, and also a warranty card for the phone. Let's keep them aside for now, and let's start the phone and boot it. The cameras keep blurring if it finds any motion other than my hands. Let's keep the charger inside the box and keep the accessories away. Now let's switch on the phone. Here we got the Samsung Galaxy F41 branding, powered by Android. The phone may take a while to start up. Here we got this Samsung branding again. It may take a while because while switching on the phone for the first time, it takes some time to boot up to start some devices inside it. Here the Android is starting. Let us set up the phone now. Now let's set up the fingerprint. During setting up the fingerprint, make sure that your sensor is scanning all of your finger portions so it can recognize very well. I have seen some people they use the same portion of finger to scan the fingerprint, which may later trouble them while opening the lock. So make sure to add all the portions. Now let's add some finishing touches to it. It may take some time. Setting up may take some time. Let's talk about its features. Here we got a Super AMOLED display for Samsung F41, which is very good display, and it's got a full lit display and with a U-shaped display. It brightens very good. Let's talk about its camera. The camera is 64 megapixel camera. You can shoot good pictures and videos in this camera. But other cameras we got here: 64 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel camera for live focus, ultra wide camera 8 megapixel, and rear camera of 32 megapixel, which are very good for taking pictures. Coming to the color variations, we got fusion green, fusion black, and fusion blue. I got the fusion black version, but there is no fusion green which I want to order, so that's. Now coming to the battery is 6000 mAh battery, which may last up to 48 hours leaving it idle.
So that's it for today's videos. In the upcoming videos we are going to make the review of the phone. So wait until the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care. Signing off, your Kiran.